Good afternoon. Today we will take about connect space, daily vision activities, the begging which indicate performing in the pleasure our Father. As is concrete, students are skates which people did not attend. Basic activities. The four secrets in the Sphinx English more skill and the friendly connected space. 1. Watch the video. 2. The comment which in the classmates what is the subject of the video. Practical activities. To write in detail about the connected space, we are detailed about the spoon and the glaze, and the introduction and the conditions sequence in the normal conversation exit indifferent between in the way we pronounce in the word, in the instant and the contextos in the content space. This is the quad space which in the constant DD and using the articulation points in the chains in the proximity in the that sounds in the hypers in the immediately in the after words. Example: good hill. Can pronounce it good hill. The cassette in the good hill. Urgent. Losing the sound of D and D, which they perpendicular and the two constant hold the line. Pronounce it hall line. No, hall line. It's an also paper which in the words like Sandy, that other expressions like you and the me. Hold in the words of the line. Another presence in the great important which is the space in the connected space waste, in the connected selection which and the extremely in the simplest way color. Definitive use in the expressions and the sounds. Balancing activities. Creating the certain where you would in the dive and to learn in the expressions. Don't agree in the convention, narration, or else. Verb. Was a combination that sentence, halts, no hedging, it, and hedge. Very good.